So hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new cryptocurrency mining website where you can mine many cryptocurrency. So without wasting time, let's get start. So I'll put a link in description of your video. So when you click link, then you come this site. I'll show you step by step. So when you come here in this website, this is the website where you can earn and mine cryptocurrency. So when you come first, then you have to register here. So you can put your email address and password and get registered. So I have already registered, so I am going to log in. So here I am going to log in. Here is my account and I am logging. So guys, I am logged in, you can see. So this is the website. I have already started. When you first come, then your mining power is so 180, and you can increase also. So this is the website. When you come first, so 0 power starting, so you can increase to 100, and mining automatic started, and you can. So here are many more features also to earn more crypto. So here you can click three dots, then you can get also bonus in every 6 hours. So I'll click in bonus. So I have get it 2 GS power speed bonus. So I'll show you. Then when you can get, then you can increase which cryptocurrency you want to mine. You can mine any cryptocurrency here, and so after mining you can withdraw also. Here is some more features. So you can come, and here is withdraw button. So for withdraw you have to mine minimum is 0.014 BNB, or you have to mining in mining others. So tron is 72 tron, and you can withdraw all cryptocurrency, and you can reinvest also crypto. Like here you can click, and here you can click, then reinvest, and you can withdraw also here. And here, this is very good website, you can try. So I don't forget to collect bonus also. Bonus is also very helpful. So after we manage, you can withdraw from here. So you can withdraw from here also. And this is for today. I'll put the link in description of the video. You can click link and come here. This website is very good. I'll withdraw 2-3 days after my minimum withdraw has completed above. So thank you for watching video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and join this website. This is very good. Thank you.